Hey everyone, Runway has just launched a powerful new feature called Localized Ads, making it easier than ever to adapt your marketing creatives for audiences around the world. To get started, open Runway and head over to the App section. From there, select Ad Localization. Now upload your ad creative or image. Next, choose the language you want to localize it into. Runway will automatically translate the text while preserving your design and overall layout. In this example, I am converting this English sports advertisement into Japanese. As you can see, the headline, product text and branding are seamlessly localized, helping your campaign feel native to the target audience. Once everything looks good, simply generate and download your localized version. It's a fast and efficient way to prepare marketing assets for multiple regions without redesigning them from scratch.